Hi there, I'm Michelle the Painter. Today you're going to be watching a time-lapse version of my painting, Old Man Winter. This is part of the exclusive series that I have available for my Patreon members, whereby you guys get to watch the fast sped-up version of the video, and I have the full-length version available to all of my Patreon members. So if you're interested in watching the full-length video of this one or many other tutorials that I have available for them, or learning more about the Patreon membership program, because there's a lot of other benefits that you can use that will help to increase your artistic and your painting skills. I have all of that information down below in the video description. So I hope you enjoy. And that is going to conclude this painting. I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you painted yourself a really cool portrait, winter portrait, and I look forward to painting with you Patreons again sometime.